Hey there, this is Manik from Northland Nissan in Prince George, and today I'm going to do a quick walk-around video on this 2018 Nissan Titan V8. And this one over here is a Pro-4X edition. So let's go inside. So this one is a Pro-4X edition, so you get the inbuilt navigation and you also have the backup camera. Along with that, you also have the parking sensors with blind spot sensors, heated seats, and that's your trailer brake control, and that's your 4x4 engager, keyless entry, and you also have the push button start. That's your Bluetooth connectivity from here with the voice command feature. And this one is a Pro-4X edition, and you get the RockFord Fosgate Premium sound system. And let's go at the back seat. This one over here is a crew cab edition, so you have the full-size doors. Lots of space at the back, and these are 60/40 split bench seats. So if you want to have some more cargo space down here too, and you can also fold down the space just like that, and same function is available on the other side too. So the Pro-4X is with the heavy duty suspension. That's factory with all the Nissan Titan Pro-4X editions. And here's your tow hitch receiver with 4-pin and the 7-pin harness. And these are your rear parking sensors. So this truck has the 4-inch lift kit on it with huge 20-inch alloys with mud terrain tires. This truck is massive and can tow up to 11,600 pounds. So if you want to take this one for a test drive, give me a call at 778-890-5544. And thank you for watching this video. If you want more information, just click the description below. And thank you for watching this video.